Hey, I'm still in my Bicol food series, and so today I'll be trying. Of course, when you're in Bicol, kailangan may Bicol Express. So this one is also with La Comida Goa. Okay, so it's their Bicol Express. So I'll be trying it out. So I have here half a cup of rice and some serving of their Bicol Express. So tignan natin. Okay, so before that, let's see. Uh, Okay, so it's around 124 now. So let's try it out, and then after a while, let's see the change in my blood sugar kung nagbago nga ba or hindi. Okay, at kung gaano kataas tumaas. Kung madaming sili. Oh, that's good. Right. Talk to you after. All right, it's been an hour, so yeah. That Bicol Express was good. Sarap siya, no? Although kulang sa pork, but it's still good, you know? So, let's see. Anong nangyari? Okay, it's 173. Okay, so medyo mataas ng konti. But for me, as long as it doesn't go over 180, after eating, medyo okay pa ako niyan. Mahirap pag pumapalo ng 200 above, which sometimes happens. So, I'm good. I'm good with this. Alright? So, see you next time. May isa pa ako. May isa pa akong Bicol food. So, hulaan nyo kung ano. So, next time.